back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my new Lovevook backpack for carry-on luggage only. I have my rolling luggage that I normally use, and this is my backpack that I'm going to show you. I'm unboxing for you. I have several Lovevook backpacks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This would make it 5. So I really love them. They're not sponsored. I just really enjoy the quality and the style that they put into their products. So this is, I'll show you my current one that I have right now. Small, and I was traveling on a low-cost carrier while in Europe, and I had to get like the smallest size backpack to go with the smallest sized rolling luggage. So this was my setup for Italy. We just did a trip to the West Coast, and I could have used a little bit bigger of a backpack on that trip. I tend to overpack on shorter distance trips than international. Are y'all the same? I don't know why, but I feel like, oh, it's just a short trip, a little long weekend. I can, bring the whole closet with me. Well, whatever. Anyway, so this one was a little stuffed. So let me show you also my everyday carry is this guy, the little baby Lovevook. This is what was supposed to be just my day pack backpack / purse when traveling, and now it has turned into my everyday carry backpack purse. So I like this guy. Let me show you the new one. This is Big Bertha. Okay, so pocket, top strap, thick straps, luggage strap, anti-theft pocket. That's all I really cared. I wanted it to be larger, so I went with the largest that you could possibly get. So I did that. This has these compression straps on the side. It only has one pocket because this side has another handle, which I don't know if I'm going to love or hate that because I haven't used it yet, but I'll maybe do a packing video and see if I like how that turns out. So let's open it up. We've got this this pocket here, pretty deep. This one doesn't unzip all the way down, which maybe I would have liked. You do have 2 big pockets and 2 pen pockets, and then a nice mesh pocket. They said you can fit a tablet in here, so confirmed. You can fit a tablet. I wanted also to have, in addition to the anti-theft pocket, to have just some type of easily accessible pocket on top of the bag while it's sitting on my rolling luggage. So I wanted something that I could easily just like throw a boarding pass or something that I didn't really care about being super secured. Like just something that can just sit there while I'm doing something. Anyway, so I like that. I really like the chevron detailing. I think that just makes it look a little more elevated than just a normal backpack. I'm gonna undo this so it's easier. Okay, so the zipper doesn't go all the way around. Just goes down to the bottom and a little bit around. Oh, that's very large. Okay. Bluebell, you can probably fit in that, Bluebell. A waterproof bag. Mesh pocket. Nice and deep. It did come with these 3 pieces. This is kind of giving makeup bag vibes. Okay. Then we've got the cute liquids bag with top loading zipper. I still haven't unpacked from our trip to California, so here's what I took. and it fits in there. And then I'm guessing this is a shoe bag, maybe. This does expand on both sides. I think it's cute that it matches. Then we have the last pocket. Where is the zipper? Oh, okay. So it is a back compartment for your electronics. We have pre-check, so I would say never. We rarely have to show our electronics. So this doesn't really appeal to us, but if you do, this is nice to where you don't have to unpack everything. You can just put it through the security belt with this unzipped. That's padded, and that is padded. So if you're concerned about it not being protected, you could probably fit something flat, some flat clothes in there if you had to. I usually have these big coaties. That is not like super snug. Like you can definitely fit something bigger. This is usually what Chad brings on trips. That easily fits in there. Very nice. Jug approved. This is also Stanley Cup approved because the handle comes up above here, I believe, something like that. I don't have a Stanley, so I don't know. I cannot speak to that. Let's see what it looks like on. Feels comfortable. The straps are very thick, a lot thicker than I'm used to. I like it. We'll see if I love it. To compare, this is what I went to Europe with, doing the tiniest rolling luggage with the tiniest backpack. To this. She husky. The straps are very. It's got the luggage rack holder. I really don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so this is Big Bertha. This is Big Bertha. I really like a, what do you call this? Luggage strap. See what it can fit. We'll stay on topic here. Okay, there's a fly. Compression strap. I can't talk today. I'm sorry. We will.